Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn on how to access OneDrive Recycle bin. It's an easy and simple process, so make sure to watch this video till the end without skipping. First, you need to go to your OneDrive account. To do so, open any browser of your choice. Then in the search bar, type OneDrive. Then hit enter. Then tap on the website having this URL. Then tap on Sign In button to log into your account. And now we are in our OneDrive account. If you see in this navigation panel, there's a button, Recycle Bin. Simply tap on it. And here you will see all the files and folders that you have deleted. This is the Recycle Bin of OneDrive. If you have installed OneDrive on a PC, you can get here with a different approach. To do so, go to your taskbar. Normally, your OneDrive icon should be here. If it's not here, tap on this up arrow. And here it is, tap on it. Then to access Recycle Bin, simply tap on this Recycle button. This will open up your OneDrive account and you can tap on this Recycle button to access your Recycle bin. And guys, that was it. This is how you access your Recycle bin of OneDrive. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up to let me know and subscribe to our channel TechUp for more contents like this. Feel free to drop any of your queries or questions in the comment section below. I'll get right back to you. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.